It may be beneficial to start this discussion by looking at the differences between 3G network architecture and LTE network architecture. As with all cellular networks, 3G architecture is based on two subsystems, radio access network called RAN and the core network called CN. The radio access network at 3G is comprised of base stations called node Bs and radio network controllers called RNCs, which control the node Bs. The 3G core network has two subsystems, the packet data subsystem, which handles the packet-based data, and the circuit switch subsystem that handles voice services with dedicated resources. The packet switch core is connected to packet data network, such as the internet, while the circuit switch core is connected to telephony networks, such as public switch telephony networks. LTE network architecture is much more simple. It does not have any radio access control, and the base stations, called the E-node Bs, the E stands for evolved, are directly connected to the core network. The LTE core network is a pure IP subsystem and does not include any circuit switch elements. It is definitely much more simple network architecture, which has significant advantage in cost and in ease of integration of network elements and features. However, voice and multimedia applications that work best where dedicated resources are allocated will require another mechanism to support them. This will be provided through the Internet Protocol Multimedia Subsystem, the IMS. Before going to the details of the LTE core network, let's have a look at the big picture shown here. This picture can be interpreted as showing the subsystems used by an operator who operates multiple technologies such as 2G, 3G, and even Wi-Fi. It is easy to see the central role of the IMS as the connecting subsystem between LTE core network and the 2G, 3G circuit core, as well as the connection between the LTE network and the external telephony networks. Where implemented, the IMS may also have a significant role in managing packet data to and from the LTE core network. The structure of the IMS and its operation are discussed in a separate video tutorial.